We request to join hands with us. Let us seek the divine blessings to safeguard the world by reciting the Dhanvantari mantra for 80 million times. We are suffering because of internal and external reasons such as COVID, Cold War, ego, jealousy, anger, anxiety, depression, and others. Mantra is the tool by which we can come out from all the problems. Mantra is that a letter, a word, or a sentence which builds the energy and which destroys the negativity and which protects from all the problems. Dhanvantari mantra is a powerful mantra which can heal all our mental and physical illness. For now, entire world is struggling with internal and external suffering. To avoid this, let us come together. Let us chant Dhanvantari mantra for 80 million times. Definitely, it brings positivity in the world, by which we will be protected from all the sufferings. We have a plan to complete 80 million recitation before 14th of April 2021. We are requesting all the people from different part of the world to join the hand in this practice. We request the people to recite the mantra from different part of the world, by which we will be able to spread the positive vibration. Dhanvantari is heavenly doctor who is the authority of the Ayurveda. Dhanvantari is kind of energy which can heal our internal and external illness. After completion of 80 million recitation from 14th April 2021 to 21st April 2021, we are planning to have the fire ceremony in which we are offering 800,000 times herbals into the fire with the Dhanvantari mantra. First, you can learn Dhanvantari mantra with the cleanliness. Try to chant the mantra as many times you can and try to keep the counting of your recitation. Start from today. Before 14th of April 2021, do as much as possible and ask other people to join their hands in this great practice. Let us come together. Let us recite the mantra. Let us create the positive vibration by which we can safeguard ourselves as well as the world. Let us come together and chant the mantra. Here there is the mantra. Om Tham Dhanvantaraye Namaha. 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 Om Tham Dhanvantaraye Namaha.